Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore some of the most useful built-in functions in Python that deal with numbers. Python gave us several ready-made tools that simplify everyday numeric operations, from rounding the exponential to finding absolute values and sums. So to overview, Python has a variety of built-in functions that can operate directly on numbers, both on integers and floats. So first one, ABS, parenthesis for absolute values, round for rounding the numbers, pow for powers and modular arithmetic, division mod for quotient and remainder, sum, mean and max, and type conversion functions like int, complex and float. We'll also wrap up with a quick overview of math module. What is the absolute value? Function returns the absolute value of a number that has its distance from 0. So absolute minus 10 gives us like 10th position. For 3 plus 4g gives us a 5. So for complex numbers, absolute returns the magnitude of the number. This function is extremely handy for comparing distances, handling negative values, and arithmetic and scientific calculations. Rounding numbers. The round functions help you round a floating point number to a specific number of decimal places. For example, round 3.14159, 2 rounds to 3.14. Round 5.678, 0 rounds to 6.0. If you don't specify the number of decimals, it rounds to the nearest integer by default. It's perfect when formatting outputs or controlling precision in numeric results. POW exponentiation. The power function calculates powers just like the operator. For example, power 2 comma 3 gives us like a power 2 power to 3 gives us 8. But there's more. You can also provide a third argument for modular exponential. That means 2 raised to 3 mod of y equals which equals to 3. Division, divmod, quotient and remainder. The divmod function returns both the quotient and remainder of a division operation a single call. This gives you 10 mod divided by 3 and 10 mod of 3 together. It's neat, efficient, and reduces the need for two separate. The sum of iterables we have already seen at Harvard. The sum functions add up all the elements in an iterable like a list of tuple. You can even provide a starting value like sum nums to comma gives 15 back. It starts from 5. This function is great for quick total calculations in analytic and data processing. Minim and max, smallest and largest values. So they find the smallest and largest values in a collection. In float and complex type conversions, it gives like whatever the integer, we can just round it off. If a float value, it can be converted into integer and vice versa. So math module.